Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you about the toggleable function of filament. So for this let's go to our data table. Here in this data table, post data table, if we want to see all the records, we will have to scroll left to right and see all the data. Here in this case we can apply toggleable functionalities to navigate all the columns easily. So now let's apply toggleable function here in this post data table. Let's go to our code and let's apply with the slug and add toggleable function here and go to our data table and refresh it. Here on the top right corner you will see an option. Click on it, and here if we click on slug, our slug column is just disappeared. Now let's click on slug again. This has shown the slug column again. So by clicking on this slug toggleable functionalities, we can disappear any of the columns if we want. Let's apply this toggleable function everywhere on every column. For example, here and here on title as well. Let's go to our data table again and refresh it. Here we can select any of the column that will appear, and if you click again, that will disappear again. This is how we can control our data table columns, and that looks good. Another option we can apply for tooltip. Before applying, let's understand the scenario. So let's go to our dashboard and move back to our post. This is remaining the same, but whenever we will sign out and log in again with our password, and moving on to our posts, here we can see all the columns appeared again. But in this case, we just want to initially while loading the data table, the title and content section will be shown and other column will be toggleable, unselected. So for this, what we can do, we can go to our code, and here on we don't want to show the slug on initial loading. For this let's hover over on toggleable function. Here in this toggleable function, we can see there is a property name is toggle hidden by default. By default this is false. Let's make it true. For this, let's copy this variable name and paste it on toggleable function inside the function and make it true. Just remember, apply colon here, no equal sign or other things. So let's apply this toggleable true. Let's set this toggleable true for created at and updated at, because while loading the data table we don't want to see this slug created and updated at column while initial loading. So let's just refresh it. Here we can see that the I have loaded this post data table and this is showing only title and content column, and the other three columns has been disappeared. Let's check it again, going to the dashboard and coming back to post. Here this is only loading title and content column, and here in this toggle option, if we select on slug column will appear. Click again, this will disappear. This is how we can control our data table using toggle option. So this is all from today. See you in the next video. Thank you.